Okay, great. Hi, Arundhati. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing great. How are
Doing good.
you?
I am good. I'm good. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Chhattisgarh. I live in the city of Bhilai.
Okay. Oh, I do remember reading something about Bhilai in civics or in geography. I don't remember. I
Yes,
think there is a steel plant or something in Bhilai.
yes, there is the Bhilai steel plant. That's
Yeah.
why.
Yes, I did remember that there was something like this in class 8th or in class 9th when I was in. Anyway,
What a
okay.
coincidence. I'm in class 8 and today
Oh,
only
shit.
in our civics class we were reading about Bhilai.
So good. I am very proud of my memory right now that wow, I did remember where exactly I read this.
Yeah,
Okay, so you're in class 8.
yes.
Okay, lovely. And what number of session is this for you on the platform?
I've done a lot of sessions, maybe like 70 or something, I'm not sure. Uh,
70.
yeah.
Okay,
So
so 70 sessions are
I
there.
had taken a very long break after doing a few classes, maybe like 65, not 65, to be
Okay.
exact, 68 classes. After that, I took a very long break and now I am back to
You're
Clapingo.
back.
This is the second session.
Oh, this is just the second one after your break.
Yes.
Okay, so during this break of yours, what exactly did you do?
So actually, I had my exams, my midterm exams, so that's why I got really busy. So it was all study and study.
Oh God. Okay, so the results are out?
Yes, they are
Oh,
out and I have really good marks.
oh wow, lovely. Okay, so you did score high. Wonderful. Okay. So it's your eighth standards midterm that have just happened.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So this is second subscription of yours. First is done, and this one's the second.
Yeah, so I usually take monthly subscriptions, so it has been a long while.
Okay. So I'm guessing you must have taken what can I say? Monthly subscription, 1 month. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
So 70 sessions, approximately 5 or 6 subscriptions are done.
No, so
More than that.
I take 4 classes per month, and I started in August or September of 2021. So it's been a long while.
Long while. Great, great job. Okay. So apart from taking sessions, you or anything else you do for your English practice, or this is just all?
I think this is YouTube videos on learning new phrases, words, vocabulary, and everything.
Okay. Any habit of watching any English movies or web series?
Yes, I do like to watch English movies, and especially the Harry Potter series. I'm really fond of them.
We recently lost our Hagrid. I was very bummed that day. The
Yeah.
entire day I was very depressed, even though, it's not like I knew him personally.
Yeah, but yeah, it's like a connection to a
Very bummed.
particular character.
Yes, it was very sad. But
Hmm.
okay. I was very sad when we lost Professor Snape as well,
Yes,
Alan
yes.
Rickman. And it's so sad that all of these people are dying of cancer. They all were
Yeah.
suffering from cancer. And I'm like,
Hmm.
what's up with the world? So that was sad.
Yeah.
Okay. So with movies, you are a Harry Potter fan. No web series you watch?
No, not exactly.
Not exactly. Okay. Please, if you do get the time, watch Friends. I am like
Oh,
a
yeah.
crazy Friends fan. So I always suggest people to watch Friends. So do watch Friends. It's amazing.
Yeah, I've
You're into
heard about
comedy?
it.
Are you into
Uh,
comedy? Comedy genre?
yes, a little bit.
A little bit? Yes, then I am very sure you'll enjoy Friends.
Okay, I'll,
Yeah.
I'll definitely try it out.
Okay. So I do see a lot of novels behind you.
Yes, actually, they're not novels, they're just fictional storybooks.
Okay. So which one's your favorite?
So this is the whole series of Geronimo Stilton books. You can
Oh,
see these yellow books and the blue books. They both are the Geronimo Stilton
Geronimo
books.
Stilton. Okay. Okay. And apart from this, anything else?
I really like to read Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
My brother has one.
Oh,
So I did try to read it, but I didn't really get the time to finish it off. So that's sad.
okay.
But
So
okay,
which
great.
one was it?
I don't really remember. It's a yellow color one with a pink border, as far as I remember. That's
Oh,
the cover
okay.
page. Yes,
Oh,
but I don't know exactly what it is.
all
But
right.
even my brother was crazy about Geronimo Stilton at one point of his life. Not now anymore, but earlier he was. But okay. Do you have the Harry Potter series?
I just have two books, the first book and the third book,
All right.
and the all the other series I read them from my school library.
Oh, yeah, true. You know, it was like we had Harry Potter series in our library, but
Hmm.
we were science students. I have a science background. So it was so sad that science students were not allowed to issue Harry Potter books. Why?
Oh,
Because you're a science stream student, you have a lot of things to read apart from Harry Potter, so please don't waste your time. So at that time, we
oh.
were like, oh shit.
So
Yes.
just particularly for Harry Potter books or just any story book?
Harry Potter series. Any
Oh,
book, I mean, they were like the thickest ones in our library.
yeah.
So we were strictly not allowed to issue those books. Why? Because you'd just be wasting your time reading this. So
Oh,
everyone who was waiting to get into that library of the senior building because there were Harry Potter books,
yeah, yeah,
their dreams were like trashed, you know. Oh God, they cannot read Harry
yeah.
Potter books.
Hmm.
So it was very sad for us. But
Yeah.
anyway, you do get a chance, then please do read Harry Potter and let me know how it is because I never really got a chance. So
It's very
yeah,
interesting. I would say that it is very different from the movies. There is a lot of information in the books apart from the movies.
the book is more interesting as compared to the movie.
Yes, but it's very
Wow.
long and thick, so it takes a lot of time.
A lot of time. So yeah, it happens, right? That the books are much more interesting as compared to the movie remakes.
Yeah.
I've never really tried any book which is. Oh yeah, I did try one which was The Devil Wears Prada. I don't know if you've heard of
Oh,
it.
no, I
Yeah.
haven't heard of it.
I read Devil Wears Prada and then I watched the movie as well. So yeah, there was a huge difference. Huge difference.
Yeah.
So you're right. It generally happens.
Yes.
Okay. So in all of these sessions that you've taken, how many speakers have you talked
I've talked to multiple speakers,
to?
maybe like uh, mm, 12 or 15 around that number.
But I'm talking to you for the first time. No? This is our very first
Yes.
session.
Yes.
Yes,
Actually,
correct.
I wanted to talk to you for a really long time, but
Oh
I
God.
couldn't get your sessions.
Oh,
It was always booked.
I think this is the case with all the speakers here. No, not just me. I think with everybody, it's the same
Yes.
thing. Because,
Yes.
the number of learners have increased vastly. Thank God.
Hmm.
So that's why the teachers have stayed busy. The entire
Yes.
slot stays busy. Yes.
Hmm.
But never mind. Finally, I'm happy that I'm taking a session today with you. It's good.
Hmm.
Excuse me. Okay. Then I don't think apart from taking Clippingo sessions, you would get much time to do something else because your school also stays
Yeah.
busy.
Yeah.
Yes, true. So what do you do for your entertainment? You know, if you have to do something that you like to do.
Okay, so if you had asked me this question 1 month ago, I would say something
Yeah.
like reading books or singing or dancing. But
Mhm.
now I have recently just got into watching cartoons, especially Phineas and Ferb. Yeah.
Yes.
Whenever I get free time, I just switch on the TV and watch Phineas and Ferb. That has got like that has become a habit of mine.
Yeah. So you have started watching this recently?
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh God. Yes, yes, you're back on. Yeah, so you've recently started watching Phineas and Ferb. Okay, earlier you didn't watch
Yes.
any cartoon?
Not really.
Oh my God. This is the thing. Like our childhood is gone all with watching cartoons and all, but you must have been more into reading, no? You like
Yes,
reading.
yes.
Great. So these were the cartoons that were there in our childhood, you know, like Tiny TV was there. I don't know if it's there anymore. There was Oswald, there was Noddy, there was Bob the Builder. They're not there
Oh,
anymore.
I think a few are there. That
They're
Tiny
still
TV
there.
is still there, and Bob the Builder is there. but the other two are not there. I
Not
don't
there?
think that.
Oh God. Oswald was like my favorite. I spent a lot of time watching Oswald. It was very
Oh,
interesting and cute. We do
hmm.
not find. Oh, Powerpuff Girls was there. It
Oh
was
yeah, it's still there, I think.
it's still there.
Hmm.
Love it. It's very good. You know, it's like nostalgia going back into that time. And all this time there is this Chota Bheem now. I don't like him. I hate Chota Bheem.
Me
I
too.
do
I
not
just do
like him
not
one
like
bit.
it. It's
I
just
don't
so
understand the
cute.
concept of that show. I'm like, oh God, please don't make
Yes.
us watch this show. It's not
Like
good.
seriously, if you eat a laddu, you'll just get powerful and fight monsters or something like that. It's just so illogical.
Exactly. At least Popeye made sense, you know, because he was eating spinach. It's a green
Yes.
vegetable, so we understand. But
Yeah.
eating a laddu is like, oh wow. I wish this
Yeah.
could happen here in our real life, but it doesn't. So,
Yeah.
but what can we do with the cartoons? So they are not supposed to make sense. That's how it
Hmm.
is.
Yeah.
But anyway. Okay, anything else that you like to do for your hobby part time?
So I do like to sing. I've been learning classical music for a long time.
Wow. Okay, which form is it?
So it's classical music. So it's just that.
Only classical? I mean, there are names of the folklores, no, that you learn. I'm not very
So
sure.
there are a lot of rags, if that's what you're asking. So
Okay.
I've learned a lot of rags. I think 6 or 7.
6 or 7. Okay, and since when have you started learning to sing?
I think it was in the year 2020.
Since 2020, you're learning to sing.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was just like you wanted to learn singing, or you've always had a passion for singing?
I've always had a passion for singing, and when I was like really young, maybe
Mm-hmm.
8 or 9, at that time also I started learning how to sing. But the place that we used to go was named as Tansin. It was the
Yes, yes,
Tansin Music Academy.
yes, yes,
But
yes.
we had to cross a bridge to go there. But the bridge started. There was some, I don't know, breaking of the bridge or some construction work going on there. So that's why we stopped going there because we couldn't go there. There wasn't any other way.
Oh my God. So is the bridge repaired now? Is it done with, or
I think so. Yes, it's done now.
so now you can go, right?
Yes, but we have shifted from that place.
Okay.
Now it's even more far away.
Oh my God. Okay, so there's no chance of really going back there.
No, so but I'm learning online. I'm learning music through the online mode.
Okay. Uh, 2020 you started, no?
Yes.
That was anyway the COVID period, so we had to go with online mode.
Yeah.
So these classes won't happen physically.
Actually, my teacher lives in West Bengal.
Oh, so from Chhattisgarh to Bengal, not possible. Not
Yeah.
possible at all.
Yes.
Okay, but at least it's good, right? That you are following your passion. You've always had a thing for music. So it's
Yeah.
nice. Yeah. Anybody else in your family is a singer?
No,
Just you?
they do not know anything about music or singing. They just do not have any interest.
Oh God. Okay, so they are more of a type like, okay, no, kids should only stay involved with studies and all.
Maybe they're just very focused on their work, and they just their hobby is their office.
Oh God. So your mom and dad both are working.
Yes.
Both are working. Okay, and you have a sibling?
No.
No? Oh,
No.
oh, oh, so what do you do the entire day? Is just going to school, then reading your books or
Yeah.
novels, then doing your homework, taking sessions, and that's it.
Yeah, and I do a lot of tuition, not exactly tuition, but I have coding classes, singing classes, and also
Coding?
I'm taking, yeah, coding.
Okay, that C++ plus plus and all?
Yeah,
Oh, you
recently
like coding?
yes, I've started learning JavaScript.
Oh, wow. That's so nice. So you must be wanting to take what is called computer science.
No. I want to take humanity.
Okay, you want to take humanities, but you have this nice interest in coding.
Yes.
Okay, so you're done with C++. Now you have moved to Java.
No, we are doing JavaScript first and then C++.
Okay, I thought C++ is the one that you have to start with. I don't know. I have no interest in coding.
Actually, JavaScript is easier in some ways than C++. That's why we started it first.
Okay, and you would want to learn all the languages?
No, just a few would do the work.
Okay, but if you do not want to take computer science, then how will you make use of this?
That's a good question. I haven't
No?
really thought about it.
Because humanities would ask something else of you. And I'm
Yeah.
worried like you are paying so much focus on coding, but how will you use it?
That's a really good question. I don't even know why am I even doing it.
No, see, if you have a thing for learning new things, then it's not bad. It's actually a good way because
Yeah.
you would know something that the others don't. So some
Yeah.
way it would be nice, but it would be even better if you could just pursue it further,
Hmm.
right? So please, if you are learning, then do not leave. No,
Yeah.
don't leave on this account that I have asked you. Like, what will you do with it in the future? No.
I would not leave it.
Thank you so much. Then I would be like, shit, what did you do? You just took our hobby away. So no, please. Of course, if you are learning, then you would be able to make use of it in the future
Yeah.
if you do not incline completely towards humanities.
Yeah.
Yes. So you want to take pol science maybe in the future?
Could you repeat that?
Political science.
So I couldn't really get your question.
Because no, that's what I have actually seen. The humanities people, they are generally doing political science in college after they are done with 12th. So they move on to bachelor's in political science.
Oh.
So you haven't really thought this through about college one.
No, not yet. But my mother says that I should go for economics or something like that.
I've heard that economics is very, very, very difficult.
Actually, my mother did economics in her college, so she says that she would be able to help me in that subject.
So you have a personal tutor right by your side.
Yeah.
So it would be great if you can take economics.
Hmm.
Would you be having interest in economics?
Maybe. Let's see what happens in the future.